What's up, guys? Today, I will be, telling you how I fixed the two-step verification and how I, did it. So, this is what most people have problems with. So, like, you sign in, right? And so it's this, right? And before I fixed it, I went to my email and there was nothing. So, like, they didn't, like, send me anything. So I tried this like a tons of times, and I checked out all mail, spam and stuff. So so how I fixed it was I contacted Roblox. I was like, hey, uh the two-step verification isn't working on my account, and they're like, oh, like tell us like blah blah blah, like your Roblox name and stuff. So I gave them my email, like they asked for my email, and they sent me the email for my Roblox account, right? So after they sent me the email, I it looked wrong, so I like compared like my Gmail to that email, and like there's like one word off. So that made a big difference, and like that's why I couldn't see like the email popping up because it was the wrong email. So I was like, oh, so I was like to Roblox, can I change it? And they were like, sure, and I was like really surprised. So that's how I fixed it. So after when like you put in your email and stuff, you go to like this you go to the site where you can change your Roblox password and stuff. So I did, and I disabled two-step verification, and that's how I did it. So it's this code. So yeah, so that's how I did it, and my brother gave me a welcoming message. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's how I bypass the two-step verification, and thanks for watching and see ya.